So this crane hook can be done in the AutoCAD using the following commands: line, circle, and modify commands like offset, fillet, trim, and extend. So before going to the drawing, so this four centers of the circle and arc should be known, and their corresponding dimensions are calculated from the drawing. And using the shortcut commands for line L and for circle C, and in modify command for offset you can use O, and fillet you can use F, and trim you can use TR, and extend you can use EX commands. This is the crane hook drawing. So all the dimensions are in mm. So this diagram can be drawn by drawing the circle and line commands. So circle, center, their diameter is 12.5, radius is 12.5. Another circle, the same center, radius is 25. So we can fix the center line. So from the center of the line circle, vertically 120 mm downwards, we have the circle, another circle of radius 25 mm. Now offset this line 9 mm right side, and draw another circle of radius 56. Right. Now from the center line, from this center, draw one line, horizontal line for reference 50 mm. So this line should be offsetted for 28 mm. In the top side. So this line can be deleted, and circle. So this circle is having radius of 6.5. So this circle, run another circle using tangent radius, using radius 38. So this is one tangent, this is another tangent, and radius is 38 mm. So we can use trim command. So from this center, mm downwards. So we can use offset command. 14 mm on either sides. I can draw this line, and you can use extend command. Extend, select the boundaries, right click and select the lines to extend. Now you can use circle command. Same option, tangent, tangent, radius. This is one tangent. This is another tangent. Radius is 50 mm. So now you can use trim command. Select the unwanted lines. This line can be deleted. Now delete this line. Similarly, you can use tangent, tangent option. Circle, tangent, tangent, radius option. This is one circle. This is another tangent. Radius is 56. Now you can use same trim command. Select the unwanted lines. Radius is 56. Now use circle, tangent, tangent, radius option. Can use, this is some tangent, this is another tangent, and radius is 56. Circle, tangent, tangent, radius 56. Use trim command. Now the hook is completed. Now you want to annotate. Before that, you want to find out the center, Dimcenter. Dimcenter. Select the arc. So only two arcs are here. Then complete the dimensions using the Annotate tab. Using the dimensions, arc, radius, and use fillet command. Radius is 3 mm. Radius is 3. So the drawing is completed. Thank you.